Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create mixed media effects for your images on Higgsfield AI. And Higgsfield allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects and even image effects for your personal projects. So to create this mixed media effect, all you have to do is to click on Higgsfield, go to Higgsfield AI, sign in, click on Higgsfield, so then scroll down and choose the mixed media. Now let me show you what the mixed media looks like. So this would show you as if the subject was brought from multiple locations, so as if it's a paper cut. So let's see layers of photo, paint, pic, text, visual texture, a visual collage with chaotic elegance. So you can actually use this. You can click on generate to start from beginning, or you can just, if it's something that speaks to you, you can click on it. So with this now you can actually create amazing video images for your YouTube thumbnails if you are into YouTube, or click on any of them that sound. So once you click on any of them, you can actually, let's assume I want to click on this, I want to create something like this. I just have to click on it. I will see the image prompt here, click on recreate. It should take me to a page where I can actually recreate this image, and then yeah, I can actually modify my prompt so that it will fit what I want it to achieve. Then I can also change the aspect ratio in this area here, and switch to any other ratio I want to. Then I can click on this section here, which alternates between the high and the basic section, which generates with 2 credits and a single credit respectively. So once I'm done, I can click on generate and my image would be ready for me within the next 10 seconds. Then I can proceed to actually edit my image or animate it and make it into a video, or add speech to it, and then proceed to download it for my projects. So if you have any question relating to this, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys there. Also, we are trying to grow our channel. We appreciate your subscription to the channel. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys. Do not forget to drink above war.